Now we are going to continue with while loop. So in this repetition structure of while loop, there is a condition to be met, and then it will loop back into the first condition. For example, in this flowchart, we already see that in here there is a test expression and a while loop body. So inside the while loop body is the coding that you want to repeat a lot of times, while the test expression is the condition you want to set to provide the loop. For example, if 1 is less than 10. Since it is true, inside here, the while loop body, you can put any codes inside here, and at the end of the code, you can say that I plus plus. So at the end of the code, the I is incremented into 2, then it will loop back until I is equal to 10, and since I is not less than 10 anymore, it will goes to the false condition over here and end the coding. So this is how a while loop is represented and how it will be written. The while loop evaluates the test expressions inside the parentheses, like I mentioned just now, inside here. If the test expression is true, the statement inside the body of while loop are executed. Then the test expression is evaluated again. Like I said, it will see whether the condition is still true again. The process goes through until the test expression is evaluated to be false. If the test expression is false, then the loop terminates. So how does a while loop works? In here, we see an example code over here. There's a while in the parentheses, condition. In the body, there's the body of the loop, statement to be executed, and any updation. Alright. So in the while loop over here, I've explained previously where the condition inside here is the thing that you want to set as true. If the condition is true, then any codes inside here will be loop. Any codes like printf or scanf perhaps, or any of the codes that you want to loop multiple times. And then the updation is, like I've mentioned just now, is either I++ or I minus, depends on how do you want to update the condition, but the easiest way to update it by using the I++. And if the condition is false, then it will go into the statement outside the loop. And that is all for while loop. Let us see an example over here. Includes Studio standard IO, integer main, and this is the body, the whole body of integer main. Here we have set I equal to 1. Alright, this is the do while loop. While will always be while, and then the I less than or equal to 5 is the condition. Since I is equal to 1, it is less than 5, then the coding inside the the while loop will be looped, and the coding that it wants to loop is printf, the value I. Alright, and at the end here is the ++I or I++, depends on what the condition you want to set, and it will loop back above. So the output that we are expecting at the first loop is number 1, since I is still equal to 1. And then over here, this is the updating factor where I is ++. What it means is it adds the value by 1. So since 2, the 1 just now is added by 1, it is now 2. 2 is still less than 5. Then it will keep on updating, plusing 1 until it reaches the number 5, since the condition is less than equal to 5.